MI-7975 Mobile Laptop Desk. Assembly. Install the desktop connector to the top of the column using the provided bolts. Tighten the bolts using the hex wrench. Lay the desktop upside down and carefully place the column on top of it. Secure the column to the desktop using the provided bolts. Then, attach the hand lever. Turn the base over and install the caster wheels. Install the non-locking casters on the shorter ends and the locking casters on the longer ends. Tighten until secure using the wrench. Connect the column to the base using the provided bolts and washers from the underside through the 4 holes as shown. The handle may not be fully tightened upon installation. Twist the thumb knob clockwise until the handle is no longer loose. A gap will appear behind the nut as the knob is tightened. Once the handle is under tension and no longer moves upwards without resistance, it is ready to use.